This is the continuation of cell theory. We have already seen the prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, and here we have seen the cell structure of prokaryotic and plant cell structure. Now we are going to see about animal cell structure. Let us start from cell membrane. This is the cell membrane, which is the outer wall-like structure which gives the structure for this animal cell. And further, let us come from here. The yellow part is known as nucleus. The nucleolus is the center part of the nucleus, which is represented in the pink color, and nuclear membrane is the outer layer of nucleus, which is in this pink color outer layer. And lysomes are also present within the cell. This is the small dot like structure. And cytoplasm is the area which is present within the cell, and these small dots are the ribosomes present within the cell. And as I have said earlier, the endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, which is of smooth and rough. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is present near the nucleus, and which is present apart from the nucleus is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this structure is known as Golgi apparatus, and vacuoles are present in this as this green like structure. And mitochondria is this small cell like structure, and centrosome is present as this star like structure, which is not present in plant cell structure. Apart from this, most of the things are present both in plant and animal cell structure. Let us see the classifications of prokaryotic and eukaryotes. The type of cell is, the prokaryotes are always unicellular, and eukaryotes are unicellular and multicellular as well. The cell sizes, prokaryotes range from 0.2 micrometer μm to 2.0 μm in diameter, and the eukaryotes range from 10 to 100 micrometer in diameter. The cell wall which is present in prokaryotes are usually chemically complex in nature, whereas in eukaryotes the cell wall which is present are simple in nature. The nucleus is absent in prokaryotes. Instead, they have an nucleoid region within the cell, and the nucleus is present in eukaryotes. And ribosomes are present and smaller in size and spherical in shape in prokaryotes, and it is larger in size and linear in shape in eukaryotes. The DNA arrangement is circular in prokaryotes, and it is linear in eukaryotes. The mitochondria is absent in prokaryotes, whereas it is present in eukaryotes. The cytoplasm is present, but the cell organs are absent in prokaryotes, whereas the cytoplasm is present and cell organelles are also present in eukaryotes. The endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotes, whereas it is present in eukaryotes. The plasmids are present in prokaryotes and very rarely found in eukaryotes. The ribosomes are smaller in size in prokaryotes, and the ribosomes are larger in size in eukaryotes. The lysomes and centrosomes are absent in prokaryotes. Lysomes and centrosomes are present in eukaryotes. The cell division is done through fission, binary fission in prokaryotes, and the cell division takes place through mitosis in eukaryotes. The flagellum are smaller in size in prokaryotes, whereas the flagellum are larger in size in eukaryotes. The reproduction is asexual in prokaryotes. The reproduction is both asexual and sexual in eukaryotes. And the example of prokaryotes are bacteria and archaea, whereas the examples of eukaryotes are plants and animal cells. These are the basic classifications of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. We have seen the cell structure of prokaryotic cell, and for eukaryotic we have seen the plant cell structure as well as animal cell structure.